Okay, we're going to look at arithmetic sequences, and we're going to look at the different types of questions we get with them. The first thing, if you've looked at the notes, hopefully you've figured out this, that A stands always in the formula for the first term. N is the particular how many terms you're looking at, or if you're on the particular term you're doing. D is the common difference, the distance between the common difference when you subtract one term minus the other, right minus left. That's called the common difference, what it's going up by or down by. Okay, here's the question. You determine the 24th term of the arithmetic sequence. Well, that 24th means n is 24, so you're looking for T24. The first term, it goes minus 3, 5, 13, so A is minus 3. N is 24, and to get the common difference, you go 5 minus 3, which is 5 plus 3. The common difference is 8. So instead of D, we put 8, and you put 24. A, you put minus 3. And now we just solve it. 24 minus 1 is 23 times 8 is 184. Minus 3 plus 184 is 181. So the 24th term is 181. Okay, let's take a look at this question here. What if you're given that a certain term, we don't know which term it is, so we don't know what n is, that Tn is equal to 78. So some term is equal to 78. You're given the sequence 2, 6, 10, and you're asked to find what n is. Which term is it? Well, Tn, the term you're looking for, that's 78. Can we do A? It's always Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D. That's the formula for finding any term in an arithmetic sequence. Well, we don't know what n is, but we know D is 6 minus 2. Hey, you could go 10 minus 6, and you'd get that D is 4. And now you just multiply it out. 4 times n is 4n. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. You subtract 2 from both sides. 78 minus 2 is 76. Then you add 4, you get 76 plus 4 is 80. So 4n equals 80. Then you divide by 4 both sides. So n equals 20. So those are the first two straightforward types of questions. You can get another type of question, though. And it looks like this. What if you're given two terms? If you're given the 16th term is 52 and the 11th term is 37. Well, there's a special trick here. If you've got the 16th term, you know, if you're looking at a sequence, let's go back here. This is 2. The first term is A plus 1 difference. The third term is 2 plus 2 differences, 2 plus 2 times 4. And in fact, it's just, this the formula tells you. It's A plus and then 1 less the number of differences. So if you look at this thing here, T16, well, that's 52. It must be A plus 1 less than 16, 15 differences. And the 11th term, which is 37, must be A plus 10 differences, always 1 left. Okay, now you've got two equations, a system of equations. But it's so nice, these ones are so easy. You just subtract. A minus A is 0. 15D minus 10D is 5D. And 52 minus 37 is 15. Divide both sides by 5, and you get D equals 3. Now that we know the common difference, we can put D back into, say, this formula or this one. But let's put it in this one. 15 times D, which is 3, is 45. Take away 45, we get A is 7. Oh, they want us to determine, now we've got the common difference in A. We can find any term we want. What if we want to find the 112th term? Well, we go 7 plus, we're going to go 112 minus 1. That's how we got 111 here. N minus 1. Times the common difference, which is 3. N minus 1 times D. So that's 333 plus 7 equals 340. That's it. I talked a little fast here, so maybe you can play the video again, especially this trick here where you go A plus 1 less than the number there, the 16th term, A plus 15D. That's a really important trick, and it does come up quite a bit. Okay. Hope this helped.